Alright guys, welcome back to Outlaw Bayou Rider. I was working on my bike a little bit yesterday morning. I only do it in the morning because as soon as that sun peaks out like it is now, it gets unbearable. So I really don't stay out here for very long, but I got the front end put back together. I actually ended up having to take the tire off twice because these little pieces right here that hold the cable, yeah, they're side specific, and I didn't know that. I didn't know that the, so this cable is thinner than that cable, and so the mouth on that little bracket is smaller than the one over there. So I'd actually had that one over here and vice versa, and put everything together, had to take it all back apart. But it's not that difficult. I got everything painted up, looking nice. As you can see, like, where's the, there we go. I do need to get some more .4. That window is a little low, and so it's not putting out enough pressure here, but I do need to get a little bit of .4 and then breed that front brake system. The rear works great, but you know, I need the front brakes as well. So what I'm planning on doing, I am gonna mask this off and then paint those little caps this orangish red color to match the rest of the bike. But right now what I'm going to try and do is pull this seat off and start disconnecting some of the trim. So there are only 3 more things back here, well, 4 if you get technical, but there are only 3 things that need to be painted, and then that's it. So you've got the shock, the ends of the shock, and these 2 brackets here, and then the lights. But that's it. I mean, I'm practically at the point to where I'm ready to square away the charging issue. Either I need to do another stator. I put one of those cheap little Caltric stators in here, and then I also have a Caltric voltage regulator. So I mean, I know they're very popular, but I don't know if they stand up to the demands of what this bike requires. So I mean, buying a $40 to $100 battery every time the battery craps out because it's not getting enough juice isn't really my thing. You know, I like to save my money, not waste it. But yeah, so let me see about getting at least the shocks off, or at least a shock off. That way I can go ahead and paint it, set it off to the side, get it prepped. I can't stick it in the oven. I know this is high heat paint, but you've got some seals in these shocks that they will melt if you stick it in the oven. Plus, I think those are gas shocks, so not only will it melt, but it'll also explode. So do not put your shocks in the oven. That's a very bad idea. I didn't have to use high heat paint for these back here, but I'm just sticking with the theme, so I'm just letting it continue. Alright, so this is just part 1 video of showing you guys, hey, the channel ain't dead. I've been busy with my other channel. So if you guys get the opportunity, go check out my other channel, which is Deep South Bayou Diesel, which is more popular than this channel, but not more popular than this channel. I don't know how that works. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm going to get these shocks off of here, get them painted, and then in part 2, I'll show you what all's been painted. Thanks for watching, guys. Later, Gators.
The dreams down the dead road tracks, leaving all they know.